So hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So this is supposed to be a 3-day weekend, but yesterday I did not record anything for it. It's because I have like too much stuff to like take with me to like record the whole day, plus there's like not a lot of people anyways, so we're gonna take you along with us today instead. Quite light just because the blue one is already there overnight, so we're lucky that the coach for the zoo has already arrived, so we are early, which is not a big deal, and we are on our way to set up the table. So we just arrived at Bird Paradise. We see after what time we finished today, because if we finish early, then we will try to go for 6 p.m. mass at Holy Spirit. Otherwise we will go tomorrow instead, but tomorrow we might have lots more things to carry with us, so I'm a little bit hesitant for tomorrow, but we'll see. These pouches, wallets, these are all the potatoes. So this is the last day and we are just leaving the house. Today we're gonna take a route that is at what we did last night, is that we are gonna take the train all the way to Springhill station, then change to the bus, and that would be the easiest. But it takes nearly an hour to go, so it's fine. A little bit over an hour, like 73 minutes, which, yes. Is where the lake that goes to the sea. Then right there is, right behind those trees is where the zoo is, I suppose. So we actually arrived earlier than expected, but it took us the whole hour just to arrive all the way here, which is longer than taking the coach, but cheaper than taking the coach, I suppose. So everything is all set up. I have less clothes than yesterday. It's pouring rain outside, right?